We're standing here in the connecting corridor which runs the full length of the theatre unit. Either end of the corridor there are doors to allow entry and exit if this was to be used as a standalone theatre space. However, we have tried to make it as flexible as possible to connect to pre-existing hospital estates by designing the corridor with removable panels which can allow 1, 2, 3 or more to be removed to allow flexible connection at a more perpendicular angle. So if we now move into the anaesthetic room. As you can see, this space is big enough to receive a theatre trolley and anaesthetic equipment. On the wall there is the drug safe, fire alarm, the medical gases and alarm shut-off valves, and the medical gases panel as well. We can now move on into the main theatre space, and as you see there is the laser warning light illuminated. The 45 square metre theatre space is laser safe. There is also 2 operating lights and 2 pendants which contain the gas and electricity supply for theatre equipment. And on the wall there is the control panel which controls everything from lighting, ventilation and other settings. You can switch on the laser safe mode, which is interlocking doors and illuminates the external lights. The theatre air handling unit is controlled from this screen as well and can be in conventional theatre mode or switched on to the full UCV theatre mode, which allows orthopaedic procedures. The overhead theatre lights can be operated on the panel here or from the lights themselves. In the theatre we have 2 pendants where we have the gas supply, gas scavenging and 4 IPS, UPS medical equipment grade sockets. There's also a data point, and on this pendant we have a 16 amp supply for laser and on the other a 13 amp supply. Here in the heart of theatre is the ultra clean ventilation canopy. This allows orthopaedic procedures to be undertaken in the dark area marked on the flooring. The flooring is also anti-static with earth bonding. Here we have the scrub sink, which is knee operated. Across here we have fixed cupboard space with a worktop, which comes as a standard. However, if you wish, we can also install further cupboard space along this wall here. Through here we have the dirty utility with a worktop and sink and an exit from the theatre itself. And finally, if we go into the recovery area, this is very similar in size and function to the anaesthetic room with a sink, gas panel and electricity supply for medical equipment and the gas shut-off valves. If we go through this door here, you'll see we return back through into the connecting corridor where we started.